Competency number 41707. Learning outcomes. The learner listens and responds attentively to descriptions in English and follows the meaning. Standard 4th. Subject English. Page number 42. How birds fly. Dear students, I have made a quiz for you all. Listen carefully and you have to give the answers within 10 seconds. Number 1. Birds fly with their dash. Tail, wings, legs, bones. Correct answer is wings. Number 2. Birds have a very dash body. Smooth, fluffy, light, beautiful. The correct answer is light. Number 3. Opposite of hollow is dash dash. Option है heavy, full, thick, solid. The correct answer is solid. The rhyming word of wing is dash dash. Options है king, feather, fly, wave. The correct answer is king. Question number 5. Birds can move their wings dash dash dash. Options है loudly, easily, heavily, difficultly. The correct answer is easily. Question number 6. The birds soar high dash the air. Options है number 1 into, number 2 onto, number 3 in, number 4 on. The correct option is into. Question number 7. The opposite word of strong is dash dash. Number 1 weak, number 2 powerful, number 3 healthy, number 4 weak. The correct answer is weak. W-E-A-K. Which of the following is not a bird? Option number 1 eagle, number 2 duck, number 3 butterfly, number 4 crow. The correct answer is butterfly because butterfly is an insect, not a bird. The wings have powerful dash dash. Option number 1 muscles, number 2 bones, Number 3, feathers. Number 4, colors. The correct answer is muscles. Which word is an action word? Option number 1, glide. Number 2, sky. Number 3, sun. Number 4, bird. The correct answer is glide. ग्लाइड के मीनिंग है हवा में उड़ते उड़ते सरकना. Question number 11. Group of birds is called dash dash dash. Option number 1, flap. Number 2, herd. Number 3, flock. Number 4, bunch. The correct answer is flock. Which bird is similar to beak? Number 1, teeth. Number 2, nose. Number 3, bill. Number 4, mouth. The correct option is bill. Which bird is our national bird? Number 1, parrot. Number 2, peacock. Number 3, penguin. Number 4, pigeon. The correct answer is peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Question number 14. Which is the smallest bird on the earth? Number 1, bee hummingbird. Number 2, honeybee. Number 3, myna. Number 4, sparrow. The correct answer is bee hummingbird. Dear students, the bee hummingbird is the world's smallest bird, weighing just 1.6 grams. Question number 15. Which is the largest bird on the earth? Option number 1, vulture. Number 2, emu. Number 3, swan. Number 4, ostrich. The correct answer is ostrich. The largest bird on the earth is ostrich. A male ostrich can reach a height of 9.2 feet and weigh over 156 kilograms. सिद्दीकी निखत परवीन, मोहम्मद वजीउद्दीन, इकरा उर्दू प्राइमरी स्कूल औरंगाबाद. UDICE number 271910028839.